Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I picked up a bag from Dillard's. From what I hear, this is going to be the August drop, but it came early to Dillard's. So I have been seeing this on the website. So I went in the store to see if my particular Dillard's had one, and they did. And I'm going to show you what I got. So the girl said that I had bought the very first one. She said that they had just got this in. What I gathered from the conversation, it's like they got it in that day, but I don't know if she said that or not. So anyway, she had one on display. I tried it on and all that, and I asked her did she have one that was still wrapped, and she did. Even though this is the condition, I didn't do anything to it, so it's barely wrapped. But I will show y'all the name of it. I thought this was so pretty, and I have quite a few of Coach's Denim now, which I have told myself that since I'm getting this one, I'm gonna have to let go of something else, which I will put on eBay. I haven't put it on there yet, but it's a couple of things that I rarely ever reach for, and so I'm thinking I'm gonna put a couple of denim Coach pieces. Y'all give me about a week, and then if you guys will check my eBay for me, that would really help out. Okay, because I need to make room for this stuff. All right, so this is so cute. I thought this was so pretty. And it reminds me of Louis Vuitton. So, I mean, but I like this independent of that. I'm just saying. It really reminds me of that. But I think this is so pretty. I think the denim on this is very, very nice. So, let's see. Let's go ahead and cut this off. And this is the name of that. We already saw it, but there we go. So, this was that price. So cute, so cute. The leather is that untreated leather, so I am going to spray that because it rains a lot down here, and I don't want it to get all spotted up and stuff. That vaqueta leather is so pretty, but then you have to baby it. So a lot of times I don't even like having it, but it's so pretty. And I didn't realize that it came with a gold chain. Super cute. I'm not sure if I'll use it as decoration or actually use it as the strap, which I probably will because it's kind of long to just be used as a decoration. But it's so pretty. All right, and then let's take a look at these other two straps. One is a shoulder strap. Okay, and this is made out of denim. I didn't even know what that looked like. I didn't care. I just thought that this was so pretty. So let's see. And I tried it on. I don't remember what strap they had. I guess it must have been this, because I know I tried it on as a shoulder. I did not try it on as a crossbody. So this is what the crossbody looks like. I rarely wear my purses as a crossbody. There are some that I specifically have for that reason. We do have parades here, and I like to have a crossbody when I go to parades, when I go to outlet shopping, and if there's a theme park I'm going to or a fair, I like to have a crossbody. But generally speaking, I use shoulder. This is so pretty. This makes me nervous of how to keep it looking nice. And I don't mind if it patinas, you know. But I just don't want it all spotted up with rain. So, very, very cute. All right. And so I love a Turnlock. I don't know what it is. And I loved it before it became popular lately. I just always really, really liked the Turnlock. Super cute. I think I might even wear this. Like, a lot of times I will put a new bag in rotation. I think this is going to be worn very, very quickly because I really like this one. Super, super cute. And I'm so glad that they kept it at the Waverly price. It was $2.95. Not that that's cheap, but it's not ridiculously priced like some of the other stuff, like $5 something. All right, and so we've got a dust bag here. Ooh, and this is one of those nice ones, the canvas one. You know, I never disliked the silky ones, but now that I'm feeling the canvas one, I really like it. Okay, so let's see what the inside looks like. Super, super cute. This is what our creed looks like. Does that say 25? Oh, maybe that's a 26. Maybe I can't see. I was like, what? All right, let's find that sensor. Get that out of there. I don't see it. All right, we got a little tag on the inside here. Okay, I was gonna say I don't see the carriage. There it is. All right. super cute. Now the Waverly doesn't have a lot of room, but it's a little bit bigger to me than the Terry is. I may be wrong about that, but it just seems like it is. And I'm super happy, and I can't wait to use it. Cannot wait. I think it is just gorgeous. So I am interested to know if you guys pick this up, or are you thinking about picking it up. So pretty. So anyway, that is what I had to share today, guys. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye.